All right, so let's go ahead and head to our browser and let's figure out what issue is taking place. So I'm going to put a breakpoint on the first line inside of my function. I want to walk through each piece and see what's going on. So I'm going to hit calculate. I'm going to make sure, first of all, that we can find this element. Okay, and we did. Input with an ID of length, good. And let's see what node value is. Null. Okay, so it looks like VS Code went ahead and auto-completed something for me. I'm going to change both of these to value instead. Okay, I'm going to save that. Because if we look in here, and if we look at this item, we can see that it has the attribute of node value. It's just null. Okay, it's hard to multiply two null values by each other. And if we look at value, let's see where value is. Okay, there's that 5 that I want. Okay, so I'm going to let that go, and I'm going to hit refresh. I'm going to put in 5 and 4 and calculate. And let's see what we get now. So it says L is 5 as a string. Interesting. So it is a number, but it's actually a string data type. Let's see if JavaScript can handle doing math with these two values. Okay, it did, and look, it converted it to a number. So this is bad practice. Okay, I never want to do math with strings. Okay, so let's go ahead and fix this. Depending on the version of browser that you, or the type of browser, or the version of it that you're using, that actually won't work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert both of these into numbers. So I can do that easily by saying parse float. In case the user types in something with a decimal point, I want to be able to multiply it. And so parse float will do that. If I said parse int, it would convert it to a whole number. Parse float will convert it to a number with a decimal point. So I'm going to refresh this. And I'm going to put in 5.5 and 4, and let's see what happens. So L, after parsing the output of that document.getElementById, by ID, is 5.5, which is good. And width is, come on, little guy, 4. Okay, we got our area, which is 22. We let that go, and you can see our area popped up down here.